Hi, this is Ron G. of the Allways Barefoot Sandals.com, and this video today is to show some of the different lacing systems which we've gone through: our polycord, our brown leather and black leather lace, and then of course the elasticized lace. And today I want to show you how we use the new nylon lace and buckle system. And the first thing we do is push the lacing through the toe hole using a pair of needle nose pliers, and then we can either tie the end off, or we can take a match to the end and burn it down a little bit and flatten it out into a nice little mushroom plug. When you put the flame out, you just pat it down and mushroom it out. That holds very nicely. But for now, we're just going to show the nylon lace and the buckle system. How we put that on is just slide this up on the outer loop into the middle loop and slide it on down like that. Keep your lacing flat. Take the outer hole for your ankle. Feed your lace down through it. And then bring it up, around. Loop it back over and feed it into the inside ankle hole. Leave enough there for your heel. Bring it back around like this. And you want to feed it through the same hole that your toe strap is going through, like that. Bring it in, and then bring it back into the outermost hole. Bring it down and slide this up. And then once you have it fully adjusted to your foot, which we'll show on a different video, you bring this extra loop around, or the tail end of this strap, and you can help lock that buckle into place just by feeding it down through. And take a pair of scissors and you can trim it off wherever you'd like it to. But you don't want to trim it until you get it on your foot and have it fully adjusted. And the same thing works. The buckle system works very well on the elasticized lace as well. Even though the elasticized lace can be tied off, the buckle system seems to work very good with that. Bring that through your outer loop. Bring it around into your inner ankle loop. And then you want to bring it on the outside of it, like this. And again, you feed it the same way, up through the toe strap hole. Bring it back around and into the outermost hole. And then you can lock that into place the same way. Once you have it adjusted to your foot, just feed it down through here. Pull it tight. And it's ready to go. Thank you.